The purpose of life is to keep moving ahead, never to sit back. Every destination further met urges us to reach newer and newer destination, to keep learning, to keep growing. It is this philosophy that drives Theon Pharmaceutical Limited towards success. For Theon believes that success is an ongoing journey, a journey toward optimum quality, technological excellence, and customer satisfaction. As organization, it is constantly driving toward perfection, challenging its own standard servicing customer satisfaction and committed to drive on and on. Since its inception in 2005, Theon Pharmaceuticals Limited, a WHO GMP and ISO 9001-2008 certified company, is a rapidly growing professionally managed Indian pharmaceutical company and is now effectively harnessing global opportunities to fortify its international presence. Theon's state-of-the-art modern facilities are spread over 4.5 acres, located in lush green, excise-free zone of Nalagarh in the state of Himachal Pradesh. These facilities consists of dedicated and segregated blocks for general, beta-lactams and cephalosporins for manufacturing a wide range of formulations like tablets, capsules, ointments, sachets, injectable and dry syrups. It covers all major and fastest growing therapeutic segments like anti-asthmatic, anti-allergic, antibiotic, anti-malarial, antipyretic, critical care, anti-inflammatory, anti-diabetic, antipsychotic, anti-obesity, anti-hypertensive, multivitamins and minerals, to name a few. To carry out real-time and accelerated stability studies as per ICH guidelines, Theon has a separate dedicated R&D lab and walk-in stability chambers. Quality and innovation are the hallmark of Theon. It is equipped with latest sophisticated instruments in its in-house chemical, instrumental and microbiological lab. These NABL accredited dedicated modular laboratories are complying with GLP norms and equipped with latest instrument including UPLCs. All labs are supported by a large pool of scientists who continuously work towards new pharmaceutical products to achieve constant compliance to produce quality attributes with cost efficiency. Our philosophy is to work closely with our customers to successfully develop quality products in order to create mutual business trust and partnership. We at Theon constitute a close-knit family of high-caliber, high-skilled professionals with in-depth knowledge and expertise. The excellence and efficacy of our product range arises from the efforts of the Theon team. Our overriding objective is to align ourselves to our customers' strategies for growing and supply them the excellent quality products. Theon has a well-planned infrastructure with dedicated blocks and logical control flow of movement. Fully integrated resource planning system greatly enhances the robustness of the system. This makes complexity and volume of operations quite smooth and efficient. The facility has sophisticated modular partition sections to provide excellent clean room standards with separate men and material flow. Clean room ambience is a vital element for assurance of the product quality according to the concept of good pharmaceutical manufacturing operations in accordance with global quality standards. Our innovative and quality-conscious approach have enabled us to offer world-class facilities and expertise to our customers. With fully integrated contract manufacturing and development solutions, unique design and concepts, Theon has been widely recognized by various leading domestic pharmaceutical firms and has become a potential production base for their products. Due to unwavering focus on services and quality, Theon is uniquely positioned to serve as a pharmaceutical industry preferred strategic partner. For oral dosage in powder form, Theon has a highly advanced sachet filling machine with high degree of accuracy. Another major installation includes introduction of bulk packing line. The bulk packing facility is both flexible and can easily handle very large volumes. Theon has also introduced advanced cream manufacturing plant of 600 kilograms with facilities like online product weighing and transfer systems to manufacture cream-based products such as ointments, gels and toothpaste, etc. To harness global opportunities and ongoing expansion spree, Theon has carved its niche in dry powder injectable with its new ultra-modern facility designed with exacting standards of MHRA, TGA, MCC and ANVISA. The facility caters to international and domestic markets with a massive capacity of 100 million dry powder injectable per annum for cephalosporin. Theon is sensitive to the quality needs and strictly adheres to CGMP norms and is equipped with automated equipment operated with pre-programmed logic controllers. Theon has marked its presence globally by exporting its product to Africa, Central Asia, CIS, French West Africa, Latin America and Southeast Asia. We have an array of certification which is a testimony to our commitment to quality. Our esteemed clients are Theon has multicultural, multilingual and motivated professionals from all across the country with a workforce of more than 1,000 employees. We have dedicated regulatory affairs team led by highly experienced and qualified professionals, which ensures and facilitates international regulatory documentation and dossier preparations as per ACTD and CTD formats for formulations with COPPs in total compliance with CGMP norms and country-specific requirements to deliver products for regulated markets. Theon's manufacturing facility is equipped with automatic access control systems at process areas to ensure entry of only authorized personnel. At Theon, we strongly support environmentalism and keeping in mind the same, we use innovative method and technology to have higher standards of safety, environment and health in our manufacturing processes. Theon has dedicated zero-discharge effluent treatment plant to reduce the bioburden on the planet and 100% power backup with auto-synchronization. The multi-story building has dedicated walkable service areas for each level with world-class support utilities such as water generation system, chillers, cooling towers and air compressors, etc. A passion for innovation, a commitment to excellence, a reputation for reliability. Theon Pharmaceuticals Limited, for healthy lives.